We walked arm in arm, but I didn't feel his touch. The desire I'd first tried to hide, that tingling inside, was gone. And when he asked me, "Do you still love me?" I had to look away. I didn't want to tell him that my heart grows colder with each day. When you love so long that the thrill is gone, and your kisses and I are replaced with tears, and when your dreams are on a train to train wreck town, then I ask you now, what's a girl to do? He said he'd take me away, that we'd work things out, and I didn't want to tell him. But it was then I had to say, over the times we've shared,